if you would be given that opportunity to pitch a new school subject, what would it be, and how would you inspire others from that subject?
You know, learning about our law. So the thing which I've learned is that all the basic needs, like whatever it is for kids or students from young age, if they know the basics of law, for example, we say civil laws or criminal laws, this would be a great opportunity for them to, explore the wide varieties that we have, or the laws which has been laid down by the government. Knowing our responsibilities and duties is one of the important thing that we have to, give information to the young generations about. So having a subject like this would really help the young generation to, know more about our law, our constitution, our heritage, and the things that we have to follow, what we have to do and what we not have to do, so they could rightly, act on situations. So if we know what we have to do or what we not have to do, we have a clear idea on what we are doing, and we know if what we're doing is legal to, our nation. So having this law based concept in, if it's included in the school curriculum, it would have been great, and I would love it to be a part of the school curriculum.